Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. Today I'm talking about my faux DIY ceramic planters that I created using paint, baking soda, and that's it. So let's get started. This clear glass bowl was my first try and I loved how it came out. So I said, well, it's 9. Now it's time to jazz things up a bit. So on these smaller planters, I used something called a drip technique, where you just turn it upside down and you grab a spoon and you just let the paint drip down. And this is how they all turned out. And for the next one, I used a fish bowl. I painted it black and then I add this little decorative white pattern on it, just freehand stroking. And now it sits in my dining room on the bar cart when I did it for the one room challenge. You know, planters could be very costly depending on where you get them from, but these were very cheap to make. So when I spotted another big round glass bowl, I decided to try it again with this one, only I made a base this time. I glued the bottom smaller one onto the top, and then I added another pattern, and this is my finished product. This one sits in my living room on a coffee table. I love the bold pattern of it, and also when you look around at each side, which I will show you, it has a different pattern. So it actually looks kind of interesting. So you can play around with these as much as you like. So I hope you found these very interesting and plan to make some of your own. This, like I said, was a very easy project, and the bowls were all around $1 and $2. So if you like this video, please let me know. Drop me a comment and don't forget to like it and also share. Thank you again for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe.